Chainlink could dip 9.6% tomorrow, according to Cryptonization. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. At the time of this recording, Chainlink shows a 14.1% increase and is trading close to $9.40. Now, let's hear from the analysts' side. CoinLore expects the price to descend to $8.66 by February 26, dropping roughly 7.9%. Coin Price Forecast expects Chainlink to retreat to $8.62, a projected drop of about 8.3%. Gulf Capital Collector highlights it could be declining to $8.54, a potential fall close to 9.2%. Another estimate from Cryptonization highlights Chainlink might drop to $8.50, about 9.6% below now. And to wrap up, 30 rates puts the price at $8.14 by February 26, down roughly 13.4%. This is the most profitable outlook. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. Let's take a closer look at the key details of these forecasts. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decrease of 13.4% and a decline of 7.9%, depending on the analyst. As a result, 30 rates shows the highest projected return with 13.4% gain in value by February 26. In short, you could pocket between $79 and $134 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, CoinLore's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 38.2% chance of success. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. The aggregated forecast suggests Chainlink could end near $8.49. Okay, here's the deeper look. The consensus projection places the price down about 9.7%. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 9.7%. If applied to a 1,000 position, the projection could equal about $97. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 20.1%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. CoinLore points to a bearish path. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast expects the chart to tilt downward. Meanwhile, Gulf Capital Collector believes the chart points to a decline. Likewise, Cryptonization expects Chainlink to head lower. Similarly, 30 rates expects Chainlink to fall. The consensus points to Chainlink losing value across the 3-day period. To sum up, 100% of analysts forecast Chainlink heading lower. Taken collectively, 100% of analysts emphasize a negative path for Chainlink. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. In the end, the final outcome was $8.20. The majority of forecasts turned out correct in this case. The most accurate forecast was made by 30 rates. Let's take a closer look at the details. Only a single prediction was inside the candle's boundaries. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but CoinCodex achieved the strongest gain at 3.6%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. In today's review, Digital Coin Price presented 85.9% forecast probability, $0.61 accuracy, and a return of -3.6%. Take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Chainlink and other cryptocurrencies. Out of all forecasted returns, Chainlink stands highest with 9.7%. For now, we compare only 5 coins, and the wider performance comparison of many cryptocurrencies will also go live on my site and Telegram. If you're still here, thank you! And if this gave you value, please like the video before you head out. Have a nice one. See you tomorrow.